Union Minister Vayala Ravi was earlier caught on camera today making a personal swipe and intimidating a female reporter who wanted his reaction on PJ Kurien's alleged involvement in the 1996 Surinelli gang rape case. The minister has now apologized for that comment.
Alleppey, my district, called the collector for the collector meeting fixed with the collector. He fixed the meeting in the Alleppey guest house. So I went there, and usually whenever I go, the journalists come, I joke with them, talk to them. So they talked, then they said, what do you want? They said, sir, about Kurien. I said, we all talked to many times on Kurien, why you want to talk to him? Then I said, look, Mr. Ekan, he's already talked to you. I also talked to many times, what do you want to do? It's something like that I said. In the politics I can talk to, but after the meeting, although I am late. Then on the way, when that I look back, and so you can see the visuals. I have nothing to say about what is Kurien all the time. Something like that. I said, why you are angry with Kurien? Anything happened in the past, in Malayalam. There is nothing, there's only a casual comment.
He has apologized now, but this is what the Union Minister told a journalist when he was questioned on PJ Kurien.
Don't make a big lecture on me. Number I can give you a number of the Prime Minister can talk to. Ending in a particular Congress, Yalan Parenta carried the Urala Parana, Nangalan Parata, Telegram Swab. Ningal Nalojita, I got a Ningal, I will check Nula. Verna Summer Villa Pasakitara, don't worry, nothing will happen to you. Neither the Victoria Virodam.